For centuries, knowledge has been hidden in plain sight across the sands of time. Whispers of lost civilizations, cryptic symbols, and forbidden histories have been erased or concealed. What if the truth was never lost, but hidden? Welcome to Eye of Ancient Mysteries, where the past speaks and the future listens. Sit back, open your mind, and prepare to uncover the untold secrets of our world. Let the journey begin now. Scientists discover mummified humanoid alien in pose linked to ancient Egypt. An international team of scientists has made a unique discovery near Nazca, Peru. During excavations, they uncovered the mummified remains of a humanoid being that is currently undergoing extensive analysis to determine whether it is extraterrestrial in origin or the result of an unknown mutation in a human. Researchers from Peru, Mexico, and Russia have conducted DNA, carbon dating, X-ray, and chemical tests on the mummy. These analyses suggest that the body dates back 1800–1900 years before the rise of the Nazca civilization, which thrived along the southern coast of Peru from 750 BC to the 8th century AD. Scientists believe this discovery could be of immense historical significance, possibly proving contact between humans and another type of humanoid species. They argue it is difficult to attribute the perfectly preserved anthropogenic proportions of the body to a mere mutation. The being is likely an alien humanoid with distinct limbs and an unusual head structure. X-rays reveal remarkable similarities to the human anatomical system. The Nazca region has long been a focus of archaeological and scientific research due to its mysterious geoglyphs. Discovered in 1926 by archaeologists Alfred Kruber and Toribio Mejas Cespi, the Nazca lines were initially thought to be part of an ancient irrigation system. In 1941, pilot Paul Kosak of Long Island University observed spirals, abstract forms, and animal figures etched into the desert floor during a flight. He proposed that the lines were part of a massive astronomical calendar. Later, German mathematician Maria Reich dedicated 50 years of her life to studying mapping and measuring the lines. In 1968, Erich von Däniken popularized the theory that the geoglyphs served as ancient landing strips for alien spacecraft. To this day, archaeologists, astronomers, and geologists continue researching the geoglyphs globally. The Nazca figures include the hummingbirds 50 meters, the spiders 46 meters, the condors 120 meters from beak to tail, the lizards 188 meters, the monkeys 110 meters, the orca 65 meters, the pelican 285 meters. Humanoid figures are fewer and located on hillsides. The most famous among them are the astronaut, 32 meters, and the alien, discovered in 1982. All figures are drawn with a single continuous line and only fully visible from the air, though they fade at higher altitudes. The lines are grooves 135 cm wide and up to 57 deep, creating white patterns on the reddish desert floor colored by iron oxide. Regarding the recent discovery, Dr. Konstantin Korotkov, a professor of computer science and biophysics at the University of Information Technologies, Mechanics and Optics in St. Petersburg, stated, "This discovery presents something unprecedented to the scientific community. For the first time, We likely have a mummy of a humanoid being that could provide important and fascinating information. The humanoid mummy is 168 cm tall, with proportions close to those of humans, except for unusually long fingers and an enlarged skull and eye sockets. Anatomists and surgeons noted a different skeletal structure, including double bones in the limbs and only 25 vertebrae, compared to 34 in humans. The mummy was covered in a white powder that appears to have been used to completely dehydrate and preserve the skin. Under the powder, researchers found dark gray skin and dried muscle tissue. Initial DNA tests showed only XX chromosomes, indicating the being was female. Based on this, the scientists named the mummy Maria. CT scans revealed remnants of a dehydrated brain within the skull, as well as preserved aortic connections to the heart and muscle tissue in the neck and tongue area. During lab analysis, the interior of the body was found to contain a strong smelling extract, similar to a potent herbal solution, possibly used in the mummification process. Professor Daniel Marino, an archaeologist from Peru, noted that ancient Egyptian mummies were also preserved using herbal mixtures. One such material, acrylic resin, helped preserve skin and organs in dehydrated but intact condition. Interestingly, the mummy's pose resembles those used in ancient Egyptian burial practices. Rays also revealed the skull lacked cranial sutures, suturae capitis, a rare and significant anomaly. Samples from the mummy have been sent for further analysis to labs in 5 different countries. Meanwhile, archaeologists have discovered more similar buried bodies across the Nazca Plateau.